Man, the money markets are going crazy, aren't they? Bitcoin's at record highs. The S&P 500's at record highs. Wages are at record highs. Everybody's feeling good about spending money. And I kind of got a pile like Warren Buffett, so I'm thinking it might be time to upgrade the FJ. Okay, man, let's be honest. Even if you're lucky like FJ Dad and you got a 2014 Trail Teams Edition, one of the last ones made, top of the line shit, that vehicle is now 10 years old. And the fact of everything is, if you want to be perfectly honest, the FJ technology is the same since 2007. No matter which FJ you've got, you're driving a 17-year-old technology vehicle. It's good, that's bad, depends on how you look at it, right? Hey, it's no wonder most of us are more confused than a baby in a strip club.
I know you like it. Do it.
And overlanding, four-wheel drive, capable vehicles that are on the market and coming to market in the next 6 months. So what are my choices if I want to get rid of this or upgrade? Well, I guess there's the Jeep. First off, Jeeps suck. If I was to win a Jeep on the price is right, I would sell it as soon as I get home. Ford Broncos, they're into their 4th year. There's nothing special about them anymore. There's already more Ford Broncos on the road than there are FJ Cruisers. And here's the deal, it's a Ford. The tie rods are made out of wood. They come off of the Model T. The roofs leak, they rattle, they're noisy, and the windows, when they're going, when you're opening and closing the door, they don't know whether to go up or down or when or what. They're just all messed up. So then we got pickup trucks, mid-size pickup truck. The Ranger Raptor, that wouldn't be bad, but 4-door kills it for me. That's just that much space that I don't want or need in a cab. Ideally, in the perfect world, which will never happen, would be a 2-door short bed. That would be so cool. 2024 Toyota Tacomas are on the lots now. The lower ends are showing up on the lot, so there's no pre-orders for that. You just go buy what you want. One of my biggest drawbacks on what shouldn't be called mid-sized anymore is the length of the mid-sized pickup trucks. They're the same length as stretch limos used to be when they made those. Talking about 145-inch wheelbase. This is 106. This is perfect for manipulating trails. Those other vehicles, the Tacomas and the Rangers, those are fine for off-road, but you can't go trail riding in the narrow spaces with those. All right, so now there's some new Japanese vehicles. This is what I'm looking forward to. I'm getting excited about. Let's start with the Lexus GX 550 OverTrail Plus. The previous Lexus GXs had lockers and 4-wheel drive too. This one's gonna be just as capable, but a little bit more rugged, and definitely on the looks part. The way I configured a GX 550 OverTrail Plus, for me, put me at like $80,000. The Bronco Raptor, $100,000. The Lexus looks nice. The reviews are coming out now. I mean, look at all the pinstripes I got on this. Well, you can't see because it's dirty. I don't know if I'd be real capable of taking a brand new $80,000 vehicle where I take this, which leads us to the new landcruiser Toyota. Basically, the way I'm looking at it, it's a 4-door FJ Cruiser. It's got a center lock, rear lock. You're gonna be able to put a 2 or 3 inch lift on it without messing up everything else. Comes with 33s, which is what all I've got, and that's pretty much all I need. I'd probably put a little bit of lift on it too. But a couple of things I don't like about it. Number one, it's still got carpet. The carpet is not for off-roading, for something you intentionally are planning to do off-roading frequently. The other thing is, with the Land Cruiser and the Lexus, is the tailgate. The tailgate is not conducive for off-roading. We need the tire out back, not underneath, because guess what happens? Murphy riding shotgun, and you're going to break down to where you can't get to that tire underneath because you're high centered or whatever. Two, how you going to put a table? We all got tables on our tailgates. How are you going to do that on the new Land Cruiser? And the other thing, which really should be the biggest deal killer, where Japan dropped the ball. There's not 3 wipers. There's none of this little side visors to come down. What were they thinking? How much money did they save in production that they couldn't pass along that we would gladly pay for it? Well, one good thing that's going to be good for the market is once the Land Cruiser and the OverTrail Plus hit the streets, the prices on Jeeps and Broncos are going to drop faster than Biden's memory. All right, so I'm not even contemplating any full-sized pickup truck or a full-size SUV like an Expedition, or they're just too big. Those vehicles have just gotten way too big over the years. I want something that's capable and narrow enough on some of the trails that I go down. So I know I sound like a spoiled little brat. I've gotten spoiled on this. I got what I want. It's not too long, it's not too short to disturb the road handling. It's perfectly capable off-road. It's not too wide to where I can't get down stuff without doing major damage. 3 wiper blades, it's got the side visors, and this right here. I think this is the smartest tailgate. The Ford Bronco's got a 2-piece design where you got to open the bottom, then open the top. That's stupid. 1 piece. That's all you need. With the market so saturated, prices on all off-roading vehicles are going to drop faster than Kamala drops to her knees. I guess all that means is I've got the perfect vehicle for right now. 3 wiper blades, the side visors, the tailgate that works, no carpet. But now I'm wondering, what am I gonna do with all my Bitcoin money? It's burning a hole in my pocket. Can you say Porsche 911 Turbo S? I know you can. See ya.